Did you know there is more than one Satan? When I found this out, it blew my mind. Grab your pen and paper while we cover this concept and show you how that is true.
Unveiling the truth. There's more than one Satan, the spirits behind the names. Many Christians and people in general are under the misconception that there is only one Satan. However, the truth is far more complex. There is one Lucifer, but Satan is not just a singular entity. It is a title shared by many deceptive spirits, each with a different name, acting through various forces that influence the world. The idea that Satan is only one being, orchestrating all evil in the world, is a relatively new concept, and it's time to challenge this belief. In this video, we'll explore the spirits behind the names, the forces influencing individuals, cultures, and even our daily lives. Satan is not just one being, but a multitude of spirits working together to deceive and destroy. Just as there are countless people named Michael, Jessica, or Jake, there are countless demonic forces, each with their own names and behaviors. Let's take a closer look at the many Satans. The concept of Satan can often be confused with Lucifer, but they are not the same. Satan means deceiver, a force that actively works to lead people astray. The names we assign to these forces are merely reflections of the behaviors and traits they embody. They are not mere ideas or philosophies, but real spiritual forces that affect how we live, how we think, and how we treat one another. Think of these spirits as names we use to describe how these negative behaviors manifest. Anxiety, a crippling spirit that causes constant worry and fear, leading to paralysis in life. Shame, a force that whispers self-condemnation, robbing individuals of peace and joy. Pride, a dangerous force that fosters arrogance, self-righteousness, and the inability to see one's flaws. Greed, a spirit that pushes people to consume without satisfaction, always wanting more at the expense of others. Addiction, a powerful force that binds individuals, making them slaves to unhealthy habits and desires. These are not just traits, they are demonic influences, operating in the lives of many, pulling them away from peace, love, and self-realization. But here's the truth: we don't have to be passive victims of these forces. The biggest deception that Satan spreads is the idea that he is one, omnipresent, all-powerful force, single-handedly controlling the chaos in the world. This idea is a myth. Satan is not omnipresent. He cannot be everywhere at once. What he has, however, are countless helpers, demons, spiritual beings that carry out his work in the world. These helpers operate in the form of spirits that work through people, influencing their decisions, actions, and thoughts. Just like people have unique personalities, these demonic spirits also have characteristics, and they are given names based on these traits. Take a look at some of the most common forces. Narcissism, the spirit of self-obsession which exists worldwide, influencing people from all walks of life. This spirit operates the same, whether in China, Mexico, or Canada. Jealousy, a spirit that fosters competition, insecurity, and division between people. Anger, a force that erupts in violent outbursts, often leaving destruction in its wake. What's astonishing is that these spirits have a unique way of working, but they share similarities in behavior, no matter where they are manifested. It's as though they are acting out the same script, with different actors around the world. This is the true power of deception. It's not just about being lied to, it's about being controlled by a force that makes us think that these negative traits are part of who we are. To fight these forces, we must first recognize them. They hide in plain sight, masquerading as just our personalities, or just how we feel. When you experience feelings of extreme greed, pride, or hatred, it's important to ask yourself, is this truly me, or is it a force trying to manipulate my thoughts and actions? For instance, when the spirit of anxiety tries to take hold of you, stop and declare, "I am not ruled by anxiety. I have peace that surpasses all understanding." By doing this, you are resisting that spirit, and in turn it will flee. The key takeaway is this: while there may be many Satans or deceivers influencing our lives, the power that resides in us, through faith, prayer, and unity, is greater than any demonic force. They can be defeated, but it requires awareness, intention, and spiritual discipline. Empower yourself by being aware, by standing firm in your faith, and by knowing that no matter how many deceivers there are, they are nothing compared to the power you have within. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more content like this.